All right, scientists, for this part of your assignment, I want you to take a preview of the article you'll be using next week in class to take a summative on finding textual evidence. All right, so I want you to preview that article now. You can find it in Discovery Education. If you log into Discovery Education, one of your assignments, you might see multiple ones, is called Hydropower. Please click on that link. That is going to take you to this page, and you will see there's an article in here about hydropower. If you look over here on these thumbnails on the left-hand side, you can see there's going to be four pages to this article that you're going to read through. To get to each page, like after you get done with the first page, you're going to actually have to like click on the second page, and it's going to take you to it. It might take a second to load. So it takes maybe 5 or 10 seconds sometimes to load the second page. We'll go ahead and start back here at this first page. And so you're going to read all four of these. While you're reading it, I want you to remember, look for words. Look for 5 words that you don't know. Write them down on a piece of paper because I'm going to have you look them up as part of your assignment. If you're like, I know all the words, Miss Millay, pick 5 words that you think other students might not know. And you're going to look up those words. Now, another trick I want to show you is that this article has a read aloud feature to it. And so what you can do, if you go up here to this right-hand corner, you'll see it says Doc Reader. Okay? If you highlight, let's say you just want to have this first paragraph read. You can highlight it and then hit listen. And we'll However, aside from the edits. Okay. I really like this feature because it annotates, or it tells you which word it's reading as you are reading. So go ahead and use that feature if you would like to. Again, you have to highlight what you want read and then just hit listen. Okay, so work through these 3 pages. After, on the 4th page, there's some questions here. Again, it takes a little bit to load. I paused the video while it was loading. It does take a few seconds to load each page. But you're going to answer these first 2 questions. There's a spot to answer them in your digital science notebook. The first one is, what are the advantages of using hydropower? And second, what are the disadvantages of using hydropower? Remember, for your summative, you're going to be looking for textual evidence to support 2 claims. One is that California should build more dams, and the other is that California should not build more dams. So finding advantages of using hydropower and disadvantages of using hydropower will help you find evidence to support both of those claims. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, I hope you learn a lot reading this article about dams and hydropower.